You're someone who learns best through hands-on activities and physical engagement, I've got some strategies to help you succeed. Let's jump right in. Use gestures and movements. Incorporate gestures and movements into your learning process to enhance memory retention and understanding. Use your hands to represent words or concepts and physically move around as you practice speaking and listening. Engage in hands-on activities. Incorporate interactive activities into your English learning routine. Write vocabulary words on flashcards and physically move them around to practice spelling and pronunciation. Practice with physical objects. Use tangible objects to represent English vocabulary and concepts. Use toys, household items, or even food to make learning more tangible and create a dynamic learning environment. Experiment with different settings, incorporate outdoor activities, and find creative ways to make your learning experience dynamic and engaging. But if you like moving around while learning, then you probably don't enjoy learning in a very traditional way, in a classroom or sitting in front of your computer. Don't worry, there is a way to learn anywhere you want. Just check out our video courses. If